That is how you can unlock online passive income in just 90 days with the Eladdin AI Business Genie. Let me ask you a question. Are you tired of the endless grind of trying to build an information business online that actually generates passive income? Imagine this. You give Eladdin AI just a little information about your target audience or your target market, and within a few minutes, you can have a fully automated money printing machine without all these heavy lifting of doing everything on your own. Introducing Eladdin's AI Business Genie, the game changer for entrepreneurs who wants to build an information business but do not have the time and effort to do it. Eladdin AI does it all for you. Let's dive into the steps on how you can use Eladdin to create your business within 90 days and make passive income online. Hey everyone, if you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or just someone who's looking for a better way to build passive income online, listen up. I've got something for you that's going to change the game completely. You know how building an information business can be super time consuming, right? From figuring out your target market to writing ebooks, building sales funnels, and even creating email campaigns. It can feel overwhelming, especially when you're already juggling a million other things. But what if I told you there's now a way to have all these done for you? I'm talking about an entire information business that is completely automated, created from scratch without you lifting a finger. Let me introduce you to Eladdin AI, a revolutionary new platform that is going to change the way you think about starting an online business. Here's the deal. Eladdin AI uses artificial intelligence to build your entire information business from start to finish. You can tell it who your target market is, and Eladdin AI does the rest. No guesswork, no stress. Eladdin AI will research your market to find out exactly what your audience needs. Create a high converting ebook lead magnet, build a landing page funnel designed to turn visitors into buyers or potential customers, and set up an email drip campaign to keep those leads engaged automatically. Now, when you head on to Eladdin's AI, that is the world's first 100% autonomous business. Eladdin AI Business Genie will automatically build and manage every part of your business, including the following: all marketing, ads, social media posting, generating leads, and etc. Sales, including business or building landing pages, sales funnel, app sales, and email marketing, etc. It fulfills orders in terms of drop shipping or when you are trying to set up a store online or something of that sort. Managing customers, managing finances, managing inventory, and even automatically scaling your company with Eladdin AI. Or if you're a business that you want to only automate your marketing and sales, Eladdin can do that part alone for you as well. The tool is currently not out, so you can join a waiting list and they will email you once it is live, so you can beta test the first model of the 100% automatic or autonomous business. So here's the plan. When Eladdin AI is live, you'll be able to identify your target customers' pain points and create a product specifically designed to solve your customer's problem. You can automatically create landing pages to sell your products, including buy buttons and payment integrations. You can automatically create back-end sale funnels to upsell your customers. You can automatically create email automation to send out promo emails to increase sales. You can automatically create ads and posts to drive traffic to your landing page. So you can join the waiting list now. I'll leave a link in the description to Eladdin AI Business Genie. So this is what you basically get when the program is live or you beta test it. All right, it's not out yet, so you can join the waiting list and then test it out once the platform is launched and it's live. Once you join Eladdin AI and use it for your business, it's like having a team of experts working for you 24/7. And it can all be done in few minutes. Imagine creating a business that generates passive income with hardly any effort. Here's the exciting part. Eladdin AI is launching soon, but the waitlist is open right now. If you want to be one of the first to experience this game-changing platform and start automating your business, head over to www.eladdin.ai, which I'll leave a link in the description. You can click on it and go to the website and join the waiting list and sign up for that waiting list, so that once the tool is live, you can beta test it and use it to automate your business online. Getting on the wait list means you'll be the first to know when Eladdin AI goes live, and trust me, you won't miss it. With tools like this, you can fast track your way to passive income online. I'll leave links in the description. That'll be all for today. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do your best and subscribe. My name is El Jones, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.